Display All Selection Arrows button in the Wireframe Chaining and Solid Chaining dialog boxes have replaced the Unselect All button. The new function is available only when you have created multiple chains. Clicking this function displays all chain selection arrows. Full loops display only one chain direction arrow. Partial loops display both the start and end arrows. When selection arrows display, you can edit chains without leaving the chaining dialog box. Select the start or end arrow in the graphics window to activate a particular chain. Click an active chain to enable the start-end controls in the Wireframe Chaining and Solid Chaining dialog boxes. After creating multiple chains, select Display All Selection Arrows to display all chain selection arrows. Then, select Reverse to switch the direction of all active chains. Select a chain in the graphics window and select Reverse to switch the direction of the one chain you selected, or select Dynamic to position the start or end of the chain at the location you choose in the graphics window. Use the Branches button to guide the path of a chain that you select. Use Display All Selection Arrows in conjunction with Unselect to clear the selection of all active chains. Select one of the active chains and then unselect to clear the selection of only that chain. This is helpful when you use window selection or another selection method to create multiple chains and need to remove one or more of them from the selection. The last used settings for Wireframe Chaining and Solid Chaining dialog boxes now persist across Mastercam sessions. You no longer set the default chaining modes in the System Configuration dialog box. The default chaining mode parameters have been removed from the chaining page. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam 2021, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.